So in today's episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this box that we just have come in from Japan, which is again from Beatrush. And let's take a look. And here we have it. Now I'm not quite sure as to why they shipped it to me in a Toyota Lexus sort of packaging for some reason on the inside of the box. But I guess that's all they had available just to keep it from getting damaged during shipping. So, this right here is actually the partition plate because I've deleted my rear seat and this is considered, I guess, a rear firewall. So this is supposed to keep any contents from the trunk under load while driving the car, that it doesn't, transition into the cabin area, if that makes sense. So this is supposed to be a rear block off plate, or a partition panel as they call it. So let's see if we can get this installed. Alright, so for today we're going to be doing the rest of the install for the partition plate. So what I'm going to be doing is essentially I'm going to be drilling out some spot welds with some spot weld bits that I got off of Amazon a few days ago. So I'm just going to remove these hooks that you'll see in each corner. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you have like these little hooks for the backrest cushion for the rear seats. And since I've removed my rear seats, I have no use. So in order to install this, these have to be removed and out of the way. So let's get started. Alright, so eventually with enough pressure you'll be able to push through it. So it's going to take a while to do. So I'm just going to drill out the rest and then I'll just show you the end result. So here we have the end result after I drilled out the two spot welds on both sides of where the brackets were, almost like anchors. So just grab one of these real quick to show you guys. So they originally started out like so. You just get the spot weld drill bits and drill out those two spots right there, and then it should come out like so. So yeah, so I can't fully install this just yet because I have to do some riv nut installs first. and then I should be able to bolt this thing into the car for the most part. Now, I've noticed that not every single hole on the panel lines up, so you may have to drill and make some holes, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. All right, so this is the next part. I hope this is not too bright for you guys. This is a little update. You know, most of these videos have been filmed in parts over a few months. I've just been waiting on things to be delivered so I can continue the install. So I took off the blue protective coating, and I've been using an automatic center punch where, you know, you don't need a hammer or anything. You could just grab this off of Amazon or whatever, and you just press by hand against a hard surface. It'll make the dent for you to make a pilot for your drill bits, so you don't have your drill bit dancing around. So we're gonna make some of these pilots right now, and then we're gonna continue to drill some of these out and put in our rivets. I already put in one here, but I'll show you guys the end result after I'm done. So unfortunately, the drill bit ended up breaking on me. So I'm just going to end up finishing this off camera, but I used tape to kind of protect around the area as I was putting in the rivets. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know for this install. So there you have it. Nothing really too crazy. Just got to watch out on these holes right above this natural bolt hole. That the hole right above here, I guess it's a double layer of steel or whatever construction behind it, and those being doubled up could take out your bit, so you're gonna kind of want to go slow when you drill that out. It happened to me on this side, but this side I made it through just fine, but unfortunately on this side the bit ended up breaking. So unfortunately, that's going to conclude the video for today. I want to say, guys, thank you for tuning in, and, you know, for all the people that I know personally that watch my videos and watch Manny's uploads and whatnot. Thank you for the positive feedback, and, you know, hopefully I'll be able to keep this up and get some more content going. Have some more things coming through the pipeline, little odds and ends. But as we wait on parts and for things to progress, like I said, because of the pandemic slowing us down delivery-wise, we'll be able to start rolling out some more videos soon. So thanks for watching, and tune in, comment, subscribe, like, and yeah, catch you next time.